A campervan that is 16 to 21 feet long and has facilities for sleeping, cooking, eating, and using the toilet permanently installed inside is a Class B campervan. If you own one of these, then you have to have a campervan insurance policy to cover it. Insurance for your campervan is like the policy for a motor home, and it gives you specialized coverage for physical damage, uninsured motorists, medical, and liability policy, if you so choose. When you are shopping for a budget van insurance quote, make sure you carefully look them over. When you have done enough research, you will be able to select a comprehensive insurance policy you will be able to afford. Liability. You are required to have a continuous liability coverage policy to drive your campervan on public roads. Do an insurance comparison and make a note of the liability limits from each insurance company. A liability policy will cover both property damage and bodily injury. If you cause damage to another person's vehicle and are found legally at fault, then property damage will pay for that. If you are the one legally at fault in an accident and someone gets hurt or dies, then bodily injury will cover it. You should get the highest limits you can afford on VW campervan insurance since campervans are bigger, heavier, and have larger blind spots than an ordinary passenger vehicle. Optional coverages. If you are hurt in an accident, then medical and uninsured motorist policies will pay for that. States that require specialized campervan insurance usually provide these as options on your policy. Medical will pay the hospital bills if you or your passengers are harmed, and uninsured motorist will cover you if someone with little or no insurance injures you. If this is a concern to you, then you should include these in your van insurance. Physical damage. If your campervan is stolen or damaged, you can get collision and comprehensive coverage to repair or replace it, no matter who is legally at fault. Have physical damage insurance for protection against complete loss. Your campervan will have its value determined by either market value, cost to replace, or another agreed value. Make sure you find out which it is before you select an insurance company. You do not want a policy from an insurance provider who values your campervan at a fraction of its worth. There are many different campervan manufacturers, and so you will want to shop around to make sure you get the best insurance for your Nissan, Toyota, GM, Ford, or VW campervan. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.